Hey Alverto, this is Max. Thanks for talking on the phone with me earlier. This is the customized video that I promised. I'm not sure if this is your GMB here because I wasn't able to find a website for you. But regardless, we will jump right into it. All I ask in return is just a little bit of feedback. You can email me or give me a text or call at 850-838-6092 and just let me know what your thoughts are or if you have any questions. Okay. So yeah, like I said, let's jump right into it. The general gist here and the idea behind this is to rank in Google for select key terms that are being searched by your consumers every month. And I know that these particular key terms are being searched because I use this software called Ahrefs, and it shows me that there's 430 searches for a painting contractor in Temecula every month. Okay, and just to do some quick math here to show the value of this, there's 430 people searching every month. An average of about 30% of them will click on your website if you're in this map pack or ranking organically #1 overall here. Okay, about 40% of those end up giving you a call or entering their information through the lead form. And so that's an extra 50 leads every month. And I can let you do the rest of the math on your average close rate and what your average job profit is. That's still, even if you're only profiting $750 per job, you're still going to profit close to $30,000 a month off of this. Okay, so the thing that I wanted to show you was kind of breaking down your competitor SoCal's Paint's website and just kind of showing you, if we did build your website, how we could outrank them and get you here getting that traffic and getting those calls, which turns into money. Okay, so this is their website here, and the first thing that I wanted to show you, really what Google cares about is content on your homepage. And so if we copy everything that you see here, all these words and these images and what they're saved as, and just all the content here on their homepage, and we throw it into this word counter, shows me that there's 823 words on your homepage. On their homepage. And Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage in order to help it rank. So if they're in that top spot and they only have 823 words, you could easily build a website with 1,500 to 2,000 words and have these specific keywords in there, and your website would outrank them and you could start bringing in a lot of that business. Okay. The reason that Google wants 1,500 to 2,000 words is because Google views it as your website contributing to their platform. And so the more content you have, the more you're contributing to them. And so they're going to reward you by ranking you for whatever your content is relevant to. And so if you have these specific exact match keywords on your website and you have 1,500 to 2,000 plus words on your homepage, then you can start ranking over your competitors because your content is more authoritative than theirs. Okay. The next thing that I'm going to show you is backlinks, and really all that backlinks are is one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. And so if we take their URL here and we throw it into Ahrefs again, this shows me the back end of their website. And as you can see, they only have 31 backlinks coming from 15 different websites. And so that's really not a whole lot. And as you can see, this is their health rating, and this means their trust rating from Google. And so it's at a 0. So Google doesn't really even trust a lot of these backlinks coming in. And so just to kind of use this as an example, if you're really not 100% sure what a backlink is still, this is a link that goes to their homepage. Okay, and if you had this link on a painting blog or a Temecula news channel website or something that's relevant to what you do and where you are, then that's going to pass a lot more power, and it's going to be a lot more relevant. Now you want these to be on only specific websites and blogs, because if you put it on cheap websites like this one, then it's not going to pass a whole lot of power and it's just going to spam out your website. Okay, fortunately for us, this is your competitor and they do not have a very strong back end, so they're on some spammy websites right now, and so we could easily go in there, get you on some a lot more verified, relevant, and stronger websites that would be pointing power to your website, and then your health rating would go higher. Okay. The third and final thing that I'm going to show you are citations, and what that is just a business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as Yelp or BBB, or even Facebook has a directory. And those all contribute to verify that you have a real address, a real number, and that you are a real physical business. And then that way Google's not just ranking some random website. They know that your Google My Business page is legit and relevant to what you do here. Okay, so those are the 3 ways that we could really help your online presence. And like I showed you in the beginning, there's obviously a lot of money to be made just in these 4 spots right here, much less just being on the front page in general. And this is going to be it's going to boost your branding a lot more too, because unlike other places where you're just under Home Advisor or Yelp, this is your actual business that's ranking here on Google in front of all these people that are searching for you each month. So again, all I ask is just for a little bit of feedback, either email or text and call me. My name's Max, M-A-X, at 850-838-6092. So thanks, Alverto, and I will talk to you later.